What's up, guys? It's me, Angry Birds fan 1234. Welcome back to another episode of my Bad Piggies gameplay walkthrough. So, funny story. I kind of already recorded this video. As you can see, I did this, but then this is also filled out too. So, the reason because of this is, so I recorded this episode, and then when I went to the phase where I had to edit the video, usually it's just edit the volume and all that, there's really not much to it. And then when it came time to record it, I don't know why, but the Bad Piggies videos, I have to compress the video. It says I need to compress it, so it does that. But I think apparently it was too long and it couldn't compress all of it. So then I wasn't able to do it. So that is why I'm recording it again. And, well, here we are. So we gotta do all of this again. That kind of sucks, but gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, so we put on the balloons here, and we go. Oh, man. Yeah, some of these you gotta get the timing right. No! Just slowly go down. Yay, we did it. Oh, and there we go. Oh, and it all broke. Alright. And also, another thing I want to say to you guys is, it's really not funny. It's not funny that every time I do a thank you video for when we hit a subscriber goal, a few of you unsubscribe. So that way I'm not at what I originally was from when I uploaded the video. So please, don't do that. It's not funny. I know some of you think it is, but it's really not. Okay? Okay, well, now that we got that all sorted out, let's start doing the level. Okay, so we gotta do like an airplane thingy here. And we do that. And obviously, I already know what to do. Okay. Oh, and there we go. Cut the rope. Whee! Boing. And we collected that thing, so we got 2 stars. Nice. Alright. We got that. Actually, hold on. Let me go back. So this was 415. I want to go back to 14. And I want to test something. So we get rid of this. We do this and do all that like normal. And then we're going to put these here. We're going to move that over and do this. Will this still work? I don't know if this will still work. I want it to, though. Let's see if it'll work. Whee! Get ready for the big moment. Oh, nope, that did not work at all. Maybe we gotta put that there. Maybe we gotta have less weight. Alright, let's do this. Whee! Let's go! Let's see if this works. I don't know if it will, but I just want to see. Oh! Okay, no, that doesn't work. Alright, let's go back. Let's go back to the right level. No! No, I don't want... No, I don't want this. I don't want these ads. No! Can I, There we go. I don't want to play Kick the Buddy. No, I'm not gonna do it. Okay. So, yeah, and I am just, like, getting rid of all this and doing it, just building it all again, you know, to kind of still give you guys the whole thing. Okay, so we do this. And go. It's very slow. And whee! Now we're going fast. And there we go. Okay. Well, at least because of this, now we're going faster, so it won't take nearly as long. Maybe we'll even do some extra levels, because, you know, it's not taking us as long. Who knows? Then we do this, and then we do that, like that, and we go, whee! Cut the rope. There we go. Alright. Oh, we got 3 stars! Wait, what? Really? I didn't even see what we got. Okay, well, that works. Alright, let's do this, this, and this. Put that there. Just put all this here. Nice and simple. Go. Oh, that's a bird! That's a bird. Uh-oh. Bonk. It worked. Oh, that actually worked. Cool. Oh, now we're running him over. Oh, now he's rolling away. Bye, Red. I'm sorry, Red. You're great, but now I'm a pig. So, you are now my enemy. I'm sorry. Okay, so, this. Put the pig in the middle. We'll do... Oh, no. We'll do this. And this. Go! Oh man. We didn't make it. Go fast. Go fast. Go. Yes, it worked. Oh, how did that actually work? Oh, and Red just completely missed us. He just went whee up into the sky. And just completely missed his shot. No. Come on. Let me skip the ad. Come on. There we go. There's the skip button. They always make these ads look like... They always make these ads look so difficult. They make these games look so hard. When really, they're not that hard. Okay, so we got this. We're gonna do this. This and that. Then we're gonna do that. Oh, okay, that did not work. Okay, let's wait. And go! Wait, what? How did uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, ouch. That didn't feel good. Come on. Go! Go! We want to go fast! Oh. Nope. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, he missed. Elbozo, imagine missing. Okay, now we go. We wait. And now we go. Go fast! No! Oh, yes! Push us over! Please! How? Come on! I did not have this much trouble when I was first recording it. I did not have this much trouble. Come on. We'll do that. And we go! Bonk. Oh, there goes Red. Now. Okay, now he's in the middle of the wreckage with us. Okay. Alright, let's see. Just erase all this. Build it all again. Do that. Got this. And we got these 2 things. Perfect. Whee! Oh, we. Ouch! Oh, he hit my pig. Chuck, you hit my pig straight in the face. Ouch! I feel bad for that pig. I really do. Go! Go! Oh! No! No, the pig got left behind! The rest of the junk made it, but not the pig. I know this can work. I did it when I first recorded it. I know this can work. I know this can work. Go, go, go. No! Come on, man. What if we do it right away? Oh, now. Oh, okay. Yeah, we might have to just do it the normal way. I don't know. I don't know about this. Come on. Come on, man. Why did I have to stop recording? Just why? I thought we were done with this. I thought we had fixed it. Come on. I thought we had fixed this whole stopping the recording problem. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work. We're gonna need these. And go! Go! Go, go as fast as you can! No! Come on! Why won't it work? What if we don't use the rockets? Just don't use the rockets. Stop. Oh. Dang it. Come on, man. Why am I having so much trouble with this? Okay. Let's go. What? Why did it? Let's go right now. No, that did not work. Come on. Okay, yep, that was a mistake. Come on. Why? Why? Come on. Okay, let's do this. This. Go. Yes. Yes. Haha. Finally. Finally. Oh, and now we're following the egg. There goes the egg. It's going all the way down. Finally. That took forever. Come on. Dang, that took a while. But we finally got it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We put these two up here. Put these here. And do it like this. Oh, okay. Okay, let's do it a little better this time. Oh! Oh! Come on, roll out. Yes! Oh, the pig and the egg still made it. There we go. Okay. So, we got this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do this. This. And put these two up here. Because that's what we're supposed to do. Go. Okay. But I want to test something. So what if we do this? Whee! And we go up. Oh, we're going way up to the sky. Yeah, what if we do that? Wait, what? How does that not count? Whatever. Alright, it said we were on 22, so now we're on 23. Okay. So we got this thing. Oh man, I remember when I first recorded it. This took me so long to do. Oh my gosh. This thing was very complicated to do. I mean, it's not that it was hard. I knew what to do, like... yeah, like that. It was just like... Ugh. Come on. Like, you just had to control it in a certain way. It was all about the timing. Oh, don't hit the TNT. Come on. There we go. Alright, just now go up. Go up. Don't hit the ceiling. Don't hit the ceiling. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, now go up. Up, yes. Yes. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Okay, I think this next one is the last one. I'm pretty sure. I'll double check. Okay, so we go like this. Actually, no, wait, we go like this. Or was it? Yeah, it was like this. Okay, and then we gotta do it like this. So we go up, and then this goes to the side. So that, boom, boom. And go! Yeah, we did a flip. Flips are cool. Yeah, oh, we got 3 stars. We didn't get 3 stars last time. Yep, and there we go. Well, we completed this section. Well, sort of. And in the next episode, we will do this last section of Flight in the Night. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my Bad Piggies gameplay walkthrough. And if you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Check out more of my videos and stay tuned for more. And I will see you guys in the next video.